All right.
I know. No, you probably
Daddy, Liam Out Loud. Liam Out Loud. Life is super awesome on Liam Out Loud. Hi guys, it's me Liam from Liam Out Loud, and today we are at Dollywood with a new event called the Great Pumpkin Luminights. We are in the range of September 28th to November 3rd, so we are here. It's going to be super awesome.
What are we doing, LT?
Going to see tornado.
Real clapper. It's no big deal right here. Here we go. Hold on, you're doing great. You did a loop, buddy! Here we go, another one. Woo! You did it, buddy! You did it! Tell me real quick, what do you think?
That's amazing! So, my reaction, I loved it. The Tennessee tornado was amazing.
Liam Out Loud.
All right, thanks, Jacob.
Okay, so we are heading towards Tennessee tornado again. I love this ride so much that I'm going back, and we are getting ready to pass by the Great Pumpkin Luminite sign. Whoa, it looks amazing. It has lights, pumpkins. In Dollywood, it is one of the best themings I've ever seen in my life. It was awesome. Oh yeah, and don't forget, we are going back to Tennessee Tornado again. I loved it.
Mama. I think that.
so we're getting closer to Thunderhead. I'm so excited. I am going to show the reaction at the end, and hopefully I have a good ride. Although wind coasters are pretty rough, I bet this one will be pretty good. So we're heading by Mystery Mine, through the walkway by the giant pumpkin tower. Mystery Mine's all lit up. It's like it's glowing in the night. If you've watched one of my Dollywood videos, you might have seen the drop line. I'm not riding it, but there it is. Drop line and glow. Pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins everywhere. Still okay. That's awesome. That's and they are making a new expansion called Wildwood Grove, and that's the sign coming in 2019. It's about 1 year from now. More bubbles. Of course, it has to be a bubbly night. Wow, look at the bats. This reminds all lit up. I love this night. More Wildwood Grove signs. I guess they really want people to go there. Whoa. This is amazing. Mystery Mine shopping, merchandise. I love this night. It's amazing. You should have to come here. It is amazing at this time of year. We are getting so close to Thunderhead. There they go. There. Let's watch them drop. Look, there's drop lights. Look at that. Pumpkins. Let's get close to the pumpkins. Not my drop one. Our pumpkins in the wild. Again. Still pretty cool. Here we go. Ribbit. Subscribe and leave a comment down below. Remember, my next video is going to be super awesome.
LiamOutLoud.
All right. Thanks, Jacob.
Go visit Liam.
All right.